extract pages from large PDF file and save as a new PDF file. Say we have a large PDF file, and from this PDF file we only pick randomly or as per our need, say page number 1, 5 to 7 and page number 10, and save as a new PDF file through the macro. So we don't need to go one by one, cut and paste elsewhere. Or through running a macro, we can do this automation. So first open this original document, means our main PDF file. Say in this PDF file we have total 10 pages. And from this 10, it may be 100 pages, 50 pages. From this large PDF file, we will run macro and choose our required pages and save as another PDF file. So to run this automation, we use VBA macro. So we open this macro file. I have opened this one. So here we have some conditions to run this automation or to work this macro. We need to install this free version of PDF toolkit from this link. Otherwise macro will not work, because this tool macro will use to take the respective PDF file and save as a new PDF file. So if you go here, I have the link open. So you go there, go this link and download this free PDF toolkit, install in your computer. Then this macro will work. Now here is some steps how it will work. For example, when we hit this macro is assigned in this shape. So I will run it here. So when we hit this macro, to run the macro, they ask for to choose our original file. So they will take our original, go to our folder and choose the file. Then next step, we need to give our page number. For example, say 4, then 6 to 8. Then you may give respective page number or give a range. It will work. Then give the name and save as macro. So I will run this macro. But how to get this macro and create this file from scratch, I will show you later. But first we run and see how it works. So now I'm hitting this macro. So they're saying that browse to select the large PDF we want to extract, which means actually we need to choose our original PDF file. So you come where your PDF file, original PDF file is there, you come this folder. For example, this is my folder. You go to your respective folder and choose the original file, the main file. So I am choosing this my main file, original file. And from the next step, I need to enter the page number or page ranges separated by comma. So here you see the given example. Now I choose page number 3, then space, comma, space, say I say 6 to 8, then page number 10. So randomly I give some page number. Now hit OK. Okay, now choose a file name and location where I will want to save the file. Okay, now this is again where you want to save your file. For example, say extracted pages, say 3, whatever you prefer, as give your required name there and save as PDF files. Okay. Okay, now we go to our folder and let's check. So this is our new file. See our page, first we keep page number 3, then 4 to 6, 4 to 6, sorry 6 to, I think I will get 6 to 8, and then page number 10. Okay, so it is now it properly extracted. Now how I get the macro and create the file from the very scratch. Yeah, so to get the macro, our main macro is here. If you go to the developer tab and see the visual basics, so our macro is here. Yeah, So now I will generate this macro from the beginning. So now I will close this file. So to get the macro, I take help of AI, Claude AI. So we need to run a prompt. So here I have the prompt. If you write this prompt in the Claude, so then they will give us the macro. So what I want to say that we are using, you give an instruction that PDF toolkit to do this actual PDF work. Yeah, so we just mentioned that we need to install the free version of this toolkit from this link. You go there and download it. Okay, now so other instructions are here, and we need to go and give our page ranges. For example, whatever the page number you want, you give it there, and the macro will automatically give save your PDF file. So now I just take this code and go to the VBA, go to the Claude. So here I already paste it here. Again, for example, let's say paste it here and we get the macro here. If you write again and we say that, hey, give it again. So we will get the macro here. Here I have this macro, same macro. I just copy, it is generating, but I can since I already generated this macro, I will take the macro from here. But to create the file, we need to create a macro enable Excel file. I open a blank Excel file and save as macro enable workbook. Browse where do you want to save your file. Okay, I choose my folder, same folder, so macro demonstration. I just give any name. Okay, now in the go to the developer tab, open Visual Basic, and we copy this macro. Let's see, our macro is here. Yeah, same, you see our macro is here. Copy this macro and go to the double click on the sheet 1 and paste it here. Save. I close this file. So now I just make a icon here and assign the macro here so that we can run macro from this tab. We don't need to go to the developer tab again and again. So I say run macro, and now just select this icon shape and right click and assign macro. Okay, now I need the macro to run. Now same dialog, we need to choose our original file, then we need to give our range, say 2 5 to 6, 8 and 10. Okay, now just give your name. I say extracted file, PDF file, and save. Okay, now we go to our folder, just check that our new macro is here, new PDF file, extracted PDF file, this one. So we give page 2 5 to 5 to 7, 5 6 7, then sorry, 5 to 6, then 8 and 10. Okay, thank you.